Hey guys, so I'm going on the other side on the property because I just heard the excavator with the forest mulcher working, which is I'm pretty happy because I've been waiting for this for a pretty long time there for the installation of the hydropower, and so that's where I'm going right now. I'm gonna try to do some footage on that Shearex mulcher also. I was just about to leave to go back to the city, but when I heard the excavator work, I said I gotta go see this and check it out. So see you then. All right, flying the drone here to get closer and see how this thing, the Shearex head is working. And after that, I'll explain a bit more where the trajectory of the power lines are going to be coming from, where the power is going to come from. So I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so the power line is going to be staying here on the left of the street, all the way down to the end of the street, of the road. And both of the roads are dead ends so that the recreational vehicles don't go too much to bother the residents. Once they've been through a couple of times, they'll stop coming. And whereas when the roads communicate, the guys just run in there full speed and full throttle. And right here it goes down where to the right, the power lines, and it stops to the right where the trees are. And right now I'm gonna fly back up to show you guys where the power line's coming from. So you can see where the snow is dirty. That's where the power line is going to be running. And it's pretty clear there where you see that the tree residue on the snow. That's where the power line is. So it'll be right there on the left. And it'll be coming way up there. You'll see soon the power line that'll cross the street. That power line is going to support the tower on top of the mountain, transmission tower. So you can see the power lines right now. So that's where it's going to be starting from. That's where they'll be hooking up to supply power to the development. So the development will be having around 20 lots. And everybody will have an access to the river. So you can see those power lines right now are functional, and they're coming from the other side of the river where the highway is. So the line crosses the river right here. That's where our juice is coming from. So pretty stoked. I'll keep some videos of the project, how it's moving forward. And in spring, they should be putting in the poles. And in May, I should have the power over to the development all done. So there you have it, right there. Way up to the power transmission tower up there. So that's where it's coming from. So enjoy the rest of the movie, and I'll get back to you guys with the following of the project.